Today we talk about how can you select, how can report your trade on your trades app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on this sign down here. When you just click on it, so then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Go above this sign, click on it here, so then it's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, just click here on notifications here. You come to next CP here, you click here on trades in replace, you just click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list. You go down, you come here to repost, and here you select who can repost your trade in this list on your app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.